In this video, I'm going to show you how to see who read your WhatsApp message that you sent in your WhatsApp group. So to see who read the message, you're going to have to open WhatsApp. Okay, head to the group with which you sent the message. I'm going to use this group for lesson purposes. This one, I actually sent this message, this one right here. Okay, to see who read the message, long press on it. Then you see in the right upper part right there, tap here, the three dots. Okay, then tap the info segment, the info option. Now this is where you have to pay keen attention. So the message was actually read by this contact you see here, and read by, you see the contacts, then delivered to. The delivered to means that the person actually not open the chat to actually see read the message, but the ones under read by will be actually the ones who have actually read the message. Okay, that is it, and that is how you can be able to see who read the message that you sent in a WhatsApp group. Subscribe to the channel would be nice.